Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this hydraulic bottle jack from Ultimate Speed. Max load capacity 3000 kg, high minimum 185 mm, max 360 mm. Gentle lowering with relief valve, raise its thumb for a more secure grip. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it, test it at my car. We have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you can find out all about this product. Wow, it is heavy. Do not adjust here, okay? Space saving, we have 2-piece lifting rod. That goes inside and it locks. Press to unlock. And then you can insert that here, rotate and it locks. And we can see, okay, it's working. Then you need to rotate this valve and it will go down. And again, tied it very well. That was all. And start over again. Okay, nice. And you can easily remove that. It is quite heavy, very durable. It is 2900 kg. Now let's move on at my car for lifting. Place the jack at the right position under the car and start pumping the hydraulic jack. And it takes about 40 seconds to go at the maximum lifting. I think it's enough here. It has a gap between the tire and the ground, so now you can replace the tire. And then you can rotate this valve and it will smoothly lowering the car. It's one of the important emergency tools that you need to have at your car at any time, and obviously use it to change the tire. The cost is only 14 euros. I like it. It's working perfect, lifting and lowering the car fast. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.